The universe cards. Number 5. Star. Keyword: stability. Interpretation. The creation and destruction of stars is a cataclysmic process. But the actual lifetime of stars, like our Sun, is marked by a long period of stability. For the 10 billion years of its life, our Sun will shine steadily without any drastic changes or unexpected events. This stability has enabled the solar system to develop and life on Earth to grow. We too need stability and regularity in our lives in order to develop and grow. Young children need a stable family environment to contain and nurture them. As adults, we need a baseline of structure and constancy to anchor our lives. After the uncertainty of transition, as exemplified by the comet card, the star cards represent a period of stability and tranquility. If you draw this card, it represents a kind of reassurance with regard to the object of your inquiry. Reassurance. The star card indicates that the question you are asking is grounded in a firm grasp of reality, and that you are fully aware of all the ramifications of the choice before you. It may also indicate that a stable environment is necessary for a resolution of your question, and that you must embrace stability and ground yourself to find the answers.